So before we move ahead to animating things, I want to just step aside from this page because it looks hideous. So let's go to, I don't know, projects page. Okay, and wait a second, I guess we have link in this. Yeah, projects. Cool. We're gonna add stuff in this and I don't know, animate it. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna add new styles too. Let's create a new style project.css and let's see, let's add a div. It will be our sun. Okay, this will be actually I took the first course on Udemy. Okay, and that teacher taught me animation. That was the first time I learned about animation, and this was the first project I made from it. So I'll be doing that. I hope it comes nice. Okay, I'll make it sun. Okay, let's add another div which will be our sky. What should be it? Div, id sky, and another div id ground. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so sky, it should have a height 20 viewport height. You might be thinking I was using pixel and now what's this? So VH stands for viewport height. That means whatever the height is in the viewport, or what you can see, the total height, 20% of it will be the height of sky. Okay, makes sense. Hopefully width will be 100%. And let's remove the margin from the body, like the last video which you didn't see at all. Only 6 views I got. Okay, so let's remove the margin from the body, default margin. Okay, and add a background color of sky blue. I guess this. Okay, wait, we have to add the styles sheet, right? Do you remember the tag for it? I'll just do it. Link rel style sheet, and href will be in the styles folder, styles.project dash project.css. Cool. So now we have our style. Actually, I'm gonna make sky a little bigger. Let's see, 30 viewport height. Okay, and let's style the ground. I'm gonna style the sun at the last because there's some new property that I want you to use. I want you to learn about it. So let's see, I'm gonna copy the same 70 and green. What's green? Yellow. And nah, green. Actually a little lighter green, maybe. Yeah, it looks fine, right? If it doesn't, make your own ground. Make your own ground. God. Okay, now let's style our sun. That was the ID, right? Sun. Okay, let's give it a width of I don't know, 100 pixels, height of 100 pixels, and background color of let's go with red for now. Okay, does that look like sun? Let's give it a margin, I don't know, 20 pixels. Oops, 20 pixels margin. It doesn't work. Okay, if it doesn't work, we'll give a padding in the sky. Padding 20 pixels. Cool. Now it does mess with our okay, let's see. Width, I'll give width as 98% and padding as 1%. Okay, and I'll give padding top as okay, padding top as 30 pixels and 1% on both the sides. Okay, or maybe I'll make it 2% and 4, right? So 96. Okay, now what should we do? Yeah, to make it round, you can actually give border radius. You don't need to give border for this. Okay, this is really cool. See this. If I give 10 pixels, see this rounded corners. This is really cool. Okay, to give it completely, to make it completely round, you can give 50%. Okay, you see, you have your sun now. Now let's do something cool with this too. Now sun is not really red, so what we can do with background color is actually we can give gradients. I hope this is correct. Okay, let's Google it. Linear gradient CSS. Actually, it should be correct. Yeah. Okay. So now first we have to give the direction. So first we can say to top. Then we can add the colors from top to bottom. I hope to top is used, or just top. No, to top. No. Okay. Bottom, top. No, we have to Google it. Okay. Man, where should we give the direction? Yeah, what should be the direction, man? To right. Wow. To bottom right. Wow. Here it's saying we can give 2. Then why doesn't it work 2? Okay, let's see. Does it work like this, or just we have to give background image? Oh, okay, that's why it was not working. Okay, we have to give background image. That's the property. Yeah. Now does it look like a sun? Okay. I'm really sorry about that, but this should be a lesson. Anything doesn't work, just Google it. You'll get the answer. Okay. So before starting to animate, we need to learn how to move it over the, you know, web page without using margin and all. Okay, so there's a property called transform, and it's really cool. So we have a property called translate x. Actually, we have translate also. We have to give x and y both in this. This one is x, this one is y. Y positive value, this one is 0 and 0. Okay, the top right corner. Okay, that one will be 0 and 0. Actually, the position where it is located is 0 and 0. By the way, you might have noticed in the margin padding video, previous video, which you didn't watch. Sorry, I won't say that again, I promise. Okay, so you might have noticed that for 0 we don't use actually any unit, you know, pixel or VH or anything. So we can write 0 as it is. Okay, so that's its 0 position. If we write positive x, this will move in this direction as in your maths, and for negative x, this will move in the opposite direction. But opposite to your maths, in y, if we write positive y, it will move downwards, and if we write negative y, it will move upwards, like this. Okay, cool, isn't it? Okay, now what I want to do is, let's see, let's move it from here to here. Okay, from sunrise, which will start from here, and from the sunset, which will go till here. Okay, and let's do that first. Okay, so how we can do it? Now actually, let me just show you the animate only. Okay, to animate stuff, we need to add keyframes. Okay, you know what keyframes is? If you have ever done any video editing, you might have heard of this name. If you didn't, I'll tell you. In simple terms, we fix points. Okay, like keyframes are basically points. Okay, point of time, you can say. Like at one point we'll fix a position, at the second point we'll fix a position, and in between it will transition from one place to another. Like on first second, on 0th second, I'll fix the sun here. On this you know, second after 5 seconds, I'll fix the sun's position here. Okay, now when I'll play the keyframes, the sun will start from here at 0 second, and at 5 second it will gradually rise to reach here. Okay, makes sense? I hope so. So what should we name a keyframe? Okay, in CSS, to add a keyframe, we'll just have to say @keyframes sun movement. Okay, just give the name for the keyframe we want to, I don't know. Okay, at 0%, I want transform translate minus 90 pixel. Let's see, let's give it here and check. Okay, and 90 pixel. Okay, let's see how this what this does. Okay, let's actually, in Chrome we can do another great thing. Inspect elements. Now here's the styles tab. Okay, now we can actually change. I'm just pressing up arrow key and down arrow key to manipulate the values. Okay, let's see, this one's fine. Let's see for X. 89, sorry. Okay, this one's fine. 116 and 224 pixel, minus 116, pixel to 224 pixel. Okay, I want the sun to be here at 0 pixel. At 25 pixel I want it to be, let's see, okay, okay, let's move it above a bit and let's move. Okay, this should be good for a 25 pixel. Let's copy it and paste it. At 50 pixel should be 250. Okay, we'll just transform it to X. Transform. Okay, let's do this here only. Of yeah, make it here. Okay, let's copy it, copy the value. Okay, and then 75 pixels, 75%. Let's see, of course I want to move X. Okay, let's move X only. Copy it and paste it, and 100% transform, translate. Actually we'll just copy the Y value here, okay, and change the X value for that. Yeah, it's 224. Let's make it here. Where 224. Okay, and let's change the X value to cool, 797 pixel. Cool. Now we have our keyframe. So now we can add animation. Actually it has, like border, we have different properties which we can, you know, combine it at last. So we'll see that movement, animation time, animation duration. Let's see, 1 second. Okay, this wasn't smooth, right? Animation, I don't know, I actually don't know what was that property. Timing function, animation timing function. Let's make it linear. Okay, this is really fast. Let's see. 5 seconds. Okay, cool. But I guess 50% is actually 50, not 50. This one is really long. Yeah, okay, let's make it 450. Why is it taking so? Okay, okay, animation, direction, there's direction, right? Forward, is that a forward or what? I don't think there's any forward. Okay, let's leave it. So I'm gonna combine, because I never use that way. I'll tell you how you can use. Okay, you just give animation as the property name, then give the name of the animation, then give duration, how much, then you can add the timing function, linear. I'll tell more about timing function, and there's a really cool thing you can do with it. I'll tell that in just a few minutes. Okay, next you can add forwards. Okay, what this does, let's see. Okay, now you saw this one. I don't know, after 100%, when we didn't have forwards, it will go to its original position after, like it's breaking the keyframe, and it goes to the initial position. But we want it to be there after the 100% completes, right? Then we can add infinite. What this does is it will repeat it. Cool, isn't it? It's cool, right? Please tell me it's cool. Please tell me it's cool. Now I wanna add a few things. I'll add z index to be 10 and its z index to be -1. It doesn't happen. Okay, I'll cut this part from the video, and I'm not gonna edit it, so you'll see it, but I think I'm gonna tell about it in another video. Okay, so this was animation, and like I promised, I'll talk about the timing function. Okay, so there's many timing functions, like linear, all will happen at linear time. There's ease in, it will be slow, then fast, then slow, then fast. I mean, each step will be slow, then fast, slow, then fast. Then there's ease. You see the difference, right? Ease in, out. Then there's ease out. You're seeing the that what, I'm not getting the word. Yeah, difference, right? But there's something that you can actually define your timing function. That's really cool. Guys. But obviously you cannot know this or imagine this and do this in your mind. There's number of tools for this. Wait. Okay, we did this in a small, and it was pixel, that's why it's going till here. Okay, it's your homework to do it complete, like all over the page. Okay, let's see if you can do it. Okay, cubic bizarre. I don't know how to pronounce it. Cubic Bezier. CSS. Actually, I don't want to see this. I wanna cubic bezier generator. generator cubicwizard.com. Okay, now this is how you can, this is linear. Okay, now we can increase it, then decrease it. The speed, this is speed. Okay, this one is linear, then this one, little fast with the time. In small time it will be really fast, then it will be slower. You're getting it, right? We'll copy it and let's try it. Let's save it and see what happens. Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow. Okay, we can do one more thing, like it'll jump there. Okay, you'll see. Wait, just copy it. Let me just copy it. Okay, here it is. Sorry. Okay, it's jumping ahead. You can see this. Here we set the 50%, 25%, and it's going beyond that. You see that? Do you see it? Man, this is really cool. Please experiment with it. It's really cool. Okay, so now I'll make it linear again, and it's again the boring. Now there's a second time, that's delay. Okay, so let's see, 2 seconds. If we add 2 seconds here, it will be delayed. The animation will start 2 seconds after, and it will continue each step for 5 seconds. You know that gist. Okay, if we refresh, it was 2 seconds at the initial position, then it started. Okay, so basically first will come duration, then will come delay. I generally don't use delay, but if you want, like, you can load the page. If the page is loaded, then you want to do something after 1 second or 2 seconds. That's your, okay, so that's your homework, to jump it throughout the page. Okay, and I guess this was it for this video. Let's see how much time. Okay, I guess let's keep it about animations only till this video. Actually, it's not all. Okay, we can animate opacity, we can animate anything. Okay, let me show you. Let's scale it. Okay, transform also has another property, transform scale. Okay, and in transform property we can add different values. Like we can add, I don't remember if we can add this comma or what, but let's try and check. Scale 0.1. Okay, it will shrink down, so 1.3. Okay, actually cool, isn't it? Cool, right? We don't put comma. Okay, that was the conclusion basically. Let's make it twice. Oh oh, scale. Let's rotate it here. Rotate 45 degrees. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Do you notice? Did you notice? See the yellow part at the top. Cool, right? Cool, right? So experiment with it. This is really fun part. This is really fun part. I love this part. And please make projects and tag me on Instagram. I can't say this more. Okay, please make projects, tag me on Instagram. I'll share it on my stories and have fun, guys. That's the most important thing. Have fun. Okay. If you have any questions from this video, please post it down below. Comment section is all about questions only. Okay, and obviously DM me if you want on Instagram about your queries. Okay, and I'll see you in next video tomorrow. Obviously, if you watch. I promise I won't say this. Bye. Okay, let's not forget to commit our changes and save our progress. So let's see, what can we add? Okay, learned about CSS. Actually, you know what, last time we did it like this. Let's do it with terminal this time. Partial. Oh, why the hell do we have partial here? Why the hell do I have partial? Okay, sorry. Topic change. Yeah, get status. So we have this new file which is unstaged. These are unstaged, and this is new file which is untracked. So let's stage them all. Everything looks fine. Get add -a. Now if we check get status, everything is added. So let's commit. Get commit. Let's give it a message. Sorry. What should be the message? Learned about animation in CSS. Okay, now I'll close this video. Bye bye.